if 4 options to answer a particular question are provided, there will also be an additional blank space. If the students during revising or for any other reason realize that they have marked the wrong choice, they can strike it off. आप उसके ऊपर एक क्रॉस लगा दोगे. Darken the correct circle and write the same like 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D. और आप उसमें जो हो बता दोगे कि आपने इसे किसके लिए मार्क किया. इन द एडिशनल ब्लैंक स्पेस आपके पास एक मिनट. लेट अस नाउ कम टू द सेम थिंग. लेट अस annotate. You have marked A, right? Doesn't write on the computer. Now A आपने मार्क कर दिया. You realize the answer was not A, it was B. अब आप क्या करोगे? You will cross it. आपने क्रॉस कर दिया. ठीक है. Now B is the answer. इसके अंदर आप B लिख दोगे. ये इसके अंदर जाएगा. बस. That you have to do. That is how you have to fulfill. But please try not to make such mistakes. That would be better. Without any mistake, if you are able to do the paper, that would be better. But हाँ हो सकता है. There are subjects where you might sometimes you may feel two answers are the same. Sometimes you may feel that there is similarity, or sometimes you may read the question later on. तो उस situation में you have been given this extra privilege. And regarding the boards, you must have seen, regarding the practicals, you have seen that the schools are going to conduct, and that would be used. Right? These are the guidelines that you have to use, and definitely you are going to get some more guidelines as well as the date sheet by next week. So probably you will be having a clarity how you have to get ready. Now the next one is, before I start today's session, let me also tell you one thing, beta, that you all need to make a timetable for yourselves. Maybe you are getting a very good score right now in all the subjects, but once you get the date sheet in front of you, आपके सामने date sheet आ गई है. Now you know that which particular subject is going to be first, then second, then third, then fourth, and then fifth. And if you are having any sixth subject, then that will also be there. 4 plus 1, 5 तो 1 तो सबके पास होगा. Make the priority in this way कि आपके जो starting के, say English is the first one, तो yeah. You have to prioritize that you are preparing, you are giving more time to that particular subject or language. I'm not saying you have to give the complete time. I mean to say that you have to give more time. एक बार मेरा पेपर खत्म हो गया, नेचुरली कि यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू, उसके बाद तो आपको इंग्लिश अभी उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए नहीं पढ़ना. तो जो आपका सेकेंड पेपर होगा, वेदर इट इज पॉलिटिकल साइंस और फिजिक्स और बिजनेस स्टडीज, जो भी है, देन गिव मोर टाइम. अपना जो टाइम टेबल है आप ऐसा बनाओगे कि जैसे जैसे आपके पेपर्स, जो फर्स्ट 2 पेपर्स खत्म हो गए, देन यू विल बी हैविंग एम्पल टाइम फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 पेपर्स. So you can divide it accordingly and revise every subject or everything whatever you are having. Means mine is a language, English is language, and then next are 4 subjects. सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा सा टाइम देकर रोज रिवीजन करने की कोशिश करिए. Even you are revising, you are once more आप लोग, if I'm uploading it on the YouTube, most of the time I upload it. So if I'm uploading it or already it is there on the channel, you can just watch it. Or if you want to take some other help, you can go through that. Revise all the MCQs which have been done so that nothing is left with you. And this is not only for English, this is for every subject you are studying. And thoda sa if you are having, yes, you will be given. Ayush has asked me that whether we would be getting a rough sheet for math. So yes, of course, you will be provided. That is provided. So जैसा जैसा आपके पास में whatever you just take up your, because the next 2 weeks you are going to be busy with your pre-boards, and the moment your pre-boards are going to finish off, you are going to start with your boards. You would hardly have time in between to revise. So that is why it is advised that you should revise it on a regular way. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी तो मेरे पेपर चल रहे हैं, चलो मैं छोड़ के चलती हूँ. I must appreciate Dishita, Anshi, Punya. They have been attending the classes. Sambhav, they have been attending the classes even though they had their test or papers. तो आप अपना रिविजन प्लीज रखिए. हाँ, कम टाइम दीजिए, more time towards those subjects. That would help, because once you are going to complete with this pre-boards, your boards are going to start and you will hardly have time. And let us see what is the date sheet going to come. Normally जो हमारा पहले जो मतलब कि होता था, that contemporary, that used to be कि पहला English ही होता था. That was always English. Then they would take a 3 or 4. Board का paper वैसे easy आता है. Somehow when you have studied so much, when you have studied each and every book which you have on your web and physically, you have studied all the KV materials, you have studied all the CBSE bank materials, you have studied all the extra materials which have been there, which is there in the market, then definitely board का paper तो easy होगा, क्योंकि questions are going to be made from them only ना. They are going to be made from them only. So if you have revised 1,000 and out of that if 100 questions are going to come, so you will be having the knowledge. We are shifting from one book to another to another, so that is why you feel that pinch. आपको वो इसलिए लगता है कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है जब मैम पेपर बनाती हैं, जब स्कूल वाले पेपर बनाते हैं तो पता नहीं कहाँ से पेपर्स आते हैं. That is because you are doing it for the first time. When I'm thinking that is the first time I'm giving you, उससे पहले मैं वो questions नहीं देती हूँ आपको, तो होता क्या कि आपको लगता है बहुत difficult है. But when your boards will come, those questions are going to be, out of those questions only one particular 40 questions are going to be done. So it will be easy for you, and I hope, I really pray that it should be easy for each one of you, because this MCQs, they are do and die situation. आ गए तो यू कैन गेट कंप्लीट 40/40, नहीं हुए तो गए. So it is better to please prepare in the same manner. Give ample time to each subject. जिस सब्जेक्ट का आपको लगता है यू आर वीक, उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा दो. जिस सब्जेक्ट का आपको लगता है आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग, उसको थोड़ा कम दो. बट डोंट एलियनेट और डोंट ट्रीट देम एज अ स्टेप मदरली. किसी के साथ भी सौतेलापन मत रखना. That would definitely help you out, right? We, in the last class, we had done the chapter law spring, right? हम लोगों ने law spring कर लिया था. Then we have already done the last lesson. ठीक है? The third chapter that you are having now is deep water. As we had already done this chapter, deep water, it is about the fear that we often have, the phobia that we develop towards a situation, some kind of, you can say, a grip that may hamper your day to day activities. What happens is, beta, definitely life is full of adversities. You can never say that life is a bed of roses. आप कभी नहीं बोल सकते. And the adversities that depend from people to people, from region to region, and it also depends on the phases of our life. आपके लिए इस वक्त में जो बहुत ज़्यादा एडवर्स होगा, हमारे लिए थोड़ा आसान हो सकता है, because we are looking it from the other point. We are looking at that trouble from the point of an experienced person. For you it might be the first time. एक बच्चा जब नर्सरी में ABCD लिखता है ना, तो उसके लिए वो भी बहुत बड़ा होता है, और जब आपको बोला जाता है, जब वो आपको आके बोलेगा, तो आप कहोगे, आप हंसना शुरू कर दोगे. The reason is, for him it is an adversity, for you it is not a challenge. आप कहोगे 10th में आकर देखो, 12th में आकर देखो, then you will realize. And certain times there might be some unfortunate incident. That incident can be due to anything. That can be an accident, that can be some misadventure, something which has been done deliberately. And if we have the grit, determination, the willpower, the fight back spirit, then we can overcome such situations. The chapter also deals with one more theme, and that is bullying. Bullying is very common in schools or colleges. Sometimes it may take an ugly turn also. There have been many incidents. Due to bullying, people have even lost their lives. इनफैक्ट इंडिया के अंदर जो रैगिंग पर जो एक एंटी रैगिंग था ना, दैट वाज आल्सो दिस रीजन. दिस वाज द बिगेस्ट रीजन. And a person who bullies, maybe he has not done it intentionally, not to hurt anyone, but it might be hurtful to the one who has been affected. It's also a personal experience of William Douglas. मतलब अगर आपके पास आता है तो ये सारे आपके themes हैं. It also tells about the personal experience that he had confronted when he was a child. Right? So the chapter, that is Douglas जो है, he was born in Minnesota, US, and was raised in Washington. He was an American jurist as well as a politician. And he worked with President Roosevelt. That is why in the end he has even quoted a quotation of Roosevelt. And he was the one who served longest term in the history of the Supreme Court. It is there in the very beginning of your chapter. अगर आप देखो. This is an excerpt, EXCERPT, and the book is Men and Mountains, written by William O. Douglas. Right? It is an excerpt from Men and Mountains. You may be asked these questions as part of your MCQs. And this is about his fear of water and how he overcame it. So he tells that when he was around 3 to 4 years, जब 3-4 साल का था, he used to go with his father to the beach in California. But जब वेव्स आते थे, अब 3 या 4 साल का बच्चा कितना छोटा सा होता है, तो वेव्स आते थे तो ही वुड बी नॉक डाउन एंड ही वुड बी टेरिफाइड जब पानी उसके ऊपर आता था तो. बट हिज फादर वुड लाफ बिकॉज उनको पता था कि दैट वॉज नॉट समथिंग वेरी डेंजरस, लेकिन बच्चे को तो वो डर लगता था. सो दैट fear had been instilled since he was 3 to 4 years. And when he was 10 or 11 years, his mother was particular that he should join the YMCA pool. The reason was that she apprehended that there was a river Yakima and it was very treacherous, means it was very dangerous. And to for the self defense, she wanted that he should learn that swimming. इसको इतना ज़्यादा शौक नहीं था. He did not want to learn swimming, but as the mother pressurized, so he agreed. So in the initial, he was apprehensive, but slowly, gradually, he started developing the interest. अब छोटे बच्चों को हम स्विमिंग कैसे सिखाते हैं? We don't directly put them into the water. They have all kinds of life-saving jackets, the tubes and all, wings. So he used to take all those and he was developing the confidence. When this misadventure took place, और ये तभी का टाइम था जब ये मिसएडवेंचर उसके साथ में हुआ. It was at a very big, you can say a physically well built up boy or of around 18 years came up. उसने देखा कि बहुत पतला दुबला था. He was too thin. तो जैसे मजाक करने के लिए, to bully him, he just said, hey ducky, hey skinny, how it would be if I duck you into the water. मजाक में. And just he pushed him into the water. For the boy it was a joy, but for Douglas it was a development of phobia. He was sitting, और जिस सिटिंग पोजिशन में था, he had gone into the water in the same position. Though the swimming pool was not very deep and it went from narrow to depth. So the first thing when he went, that was the gripping of fright. But thoda sense आया तो he made up a strategy. This may come as an MCQ. He made up a strategy that once his feet touches the surface of the water, and that he would immediately jump like a cock, and once he comes over the water he would swim near the, ऐसा उसने सोचा. But he could not make it. The more he was moving, he could not keep his feet. In fact, once or twice he even tried. उसका चेहरा थोड़ा सा till his nose he was able to come. But again the same was there. Before he could touch the bottom, उसके जो lungs थे वो पूरे उसको ऐसा लगा it was paralyzed. He tried to take the jump, but water था. His entire body, जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, the principles of Archimedes. So that was there. He wasn't able to. उसका सर दर्द हो रहा था. He was feeling dizzy. Though he tried to touch his feet, but he was not able to. Third time, once again, when he tried, he just sucked lot of water. और सारे के सारे उसके जो efforts थे, that all went futile. And eventually he was overpowered with fear. He was feeling as if he would die. In fact, एक time ऐसा था that when he realized that he is floating and he was feeling light, उसको ऐसा लग रहा था he was in the lap of his mother. और उसको लगा डेथ इज मोर पीसफुल. लाइफ में तो वी हैव टू स्ट्रगल, बट इन डेथ वी डोंट नीड टू. वी आर इन स्लम्बर. हमें बस नींद आनी है, बस हमें सोना है. दैट वॉज अ टाइम व्हेन ही lost his consciousness. After some time, when he opened his eyes, he saw that he was out, and some instructor जो शायद वहाँ से जा रहा था, तो he had saved. Again, this can also be a question. And then he was even scolding that boy. The child must have lost his life. और वो उसने बोला कि I did not do it deliberately. I was just joking with him. Then he was given the aid. He went, but he could not sleep. He was gripped with terror. बहुत डरा हुआ था. After 2 or 3 days, though he became normal in other sense, but still that fear had been instilled in him. And the years he was growing, जैसे जैसे उसकी उम्र बढ़ रही थी, उसका जो fear था, it did not vanish. In fact, it started worsening. और जो वहाँ पर बच्चे बाकी लोग एंजॉय करते थे, स्विमिंग, फिशिंग, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स, ही वॉजंट एबल टू एंजॉय एनीथिंग. कुछ भी एंजॉय नहीं कर पाता था. एंड दैट इज वाई, बिकॉज ऑल दीज activities he wanted to, he was devoid of all these activities, of this happiness, of this pleasure. इसीलिए ultimately he decided that he is going to overcome this fear. And it was October. याद रखना, अक्टूबर में उसने स्टार्ट किया था, एंड अप्रैल तक जो है he had taken the training. It may be, to have a tricky question, it may be vice versa. April to October या October to April. It is October to April. He hired an instructor. Now the instructor started training him from the scratch. मतलब बिल्कुल बेसिक से. What he would do is to shed that part of panic. वो क्या करता था, he would tie a belt around his waist. उसकी कमर में एक बेल्ट लगा देता था, एंड उसे एक पुली से बांधकर रोप की तरह धीरे 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 पकड़ते पकड़ते चला उसको जो है, he would ask him to walk. And धीरे 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 he started walking on the water. Then the instructor जो है, he started giving him the practices of the lessons of the swimming. And all the lessons of swimming, all the strokes, everything was taught to him around 6 months. Now the instructor was satisfied. The instructor was finished. ये मैंने आपको लिखवाया भी था. The instructor was finished means once the training was over, the instructor's work was over. अब इसको अपने ऊपर he wanted to experience, he wanted to overcome the residual fear जो बचा हुआ था. कभी अगर अकेला होगा, दोबारा ऐसा कोई मिसएडवेंचर हुआ, then what he would do. So therefore he went to different water bodies. सबसे पहले तो वो he went to the YMCA pool only. There he practiced alone. Then he went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, then to the Warm Lake, and thus he went to the Conrad Meadows, the creek, the mid glacier, and till he was completely confident about himself, he practiced. जितनी देर, कई बार उसको वो डर दोबारा से, whenever he would go into the water, the same fear would be there, the same childhood fear, but he would overcome that. Slowly, slowly, he overcame his fear. And then he says that now I am intense. Now I'm fearless. I'm confident. And that confidence is not only for water. It is about even climbing any trail. मैं कहीं पर भी जा सकता हूँ. Now I am confident. And the end, he says, he ends up the chapter with the quote of Roosevelt, president. He was a president of US. That all we have to fear is the fear itself. अगर हमें किसी चीज से डरना है तो वो डर से ही है. जैसे वो आपके माउंटेन ड्यू का एड आता है ना, डर के आगे जीत. दैट इज द मेन थीम कि वी मस्ट. हम लोग नॉर्मली क्या होता है, वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ मीम्स ऑल्सो. वी ऑल द टाइम हैव वन फियर दैट वो चार लोग क्या कहेंगे. एंड टिल डेट आई थिंक from my grandpa to my mom to me, now me to my the next generation, मुझे वो 4 लाख अभी तक नहीं मिले हैं. अभी तक नहीं मिले हैं. Once I get it, I'll also share with you कि वो 4 लोग कौन है. We always only fear that what others are going to tell about us. And sometimes जैसे इस चैप्टर में था, he had experienced the terror of death. He had witnessed death from so, मतलब उसने इतने पास से उसने डेथ को देखा था. तो मे बी दैट वॉज ड्रेडफुल. दैट वॉज अ स्कैरी एक्सपीरियंस फॉर हिम. एंड it was his great determination, his perseverance. Perseverance means never, कभी हार ना मानना. That he managed to conquer that. So the chapter says that if we are determined enough, we have the courage, we need to summon that courage, then we can overcome any fear that comes in our way without letting the fear overpowering us. So that's a chapter, Deep Water.